بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
والمرسلات عرفا فالعاصفات عصفا والناشرات نشرا فالفارقات فرقا فالملقيات ذكرا عذرا أو نذرا إنما توعدون لواقع.
By the emissary winds sent one after another, by the raging hurricanes, by those which cause earth's vegetation to revive, by those who winnow with the winnowing, by those who bring down the reminder, to excuse or to warn, surely that which ye are promised will befall.
فإذا النجوم طمست وإذا السماء فرجت وإذا الجبال نسفت وإذا الرسل أقتت لأي يوم أجلت ليوم الفصل وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل ويل يومئذ للمكذبين ألم نهلك الأولين ثم نتبعهم الآخرين كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
So when the stars are put out, and when the sky is riven as under, and when the mountains are blown away, and when the messengers are brought unto their time appointed. For what day is the time appointed? For the day of decision. And what will convey unto thee what the day of decision is? Woe unto the repudiators on that day! Destroyed be not the former folk, then caused the latter folk to follow after? Thus deal we ever with the guilty. Woe unto the repudiators on that day.
أَلَمْ نَخْلُقكُّم مِّن مَّاءٍ مَّهِينٍ فَجَعَلْنَاهُ فِي قَرَارٍ مَّكِينٍ إِلَى قَدَرٍ مَّعْلُومٍ فَقَدَرْنَا فَنِعْمَ الْقَادِرُونَ ويل يومئذ للمكذبين ألم نجعل الأرض كفاتا أحياء وأمواتا وجعلنا فيها رواسي شامخات وأسقيناكم ماء فراتا ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Did we not create you from a base fluid, which we laid up in a safe abode for a known term? Thus we arranged. How excellent is our arranging! Woe unto the repudiators on that day! Have we not made the earth a receptacle, both for the living and the dead, and placed therein high mountains, and given you to drink sweet water therein? Woe unto the repudiators on that day!
انطلقوا إلى ما كنتم به تكذبون انطلقوا إلى ظل ذي ثلاث شعب لا ظليل ولا يغني من اللهب إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر كأنه جمالة صفر ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
It will be said unto them, Depart unto that doom which ye used to deny. Depart unto the shadow falling threefold, which yet is no relief nor shelter from the flame. Lo, it throweth up sparks like the castles, or as it might be camels of bright yellow hue. Woe unto the repudiators on that day.
هذا يوم لا ينطقون ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون ويل يومئذ للمكذبين هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
This is the day wherein they speak not, nor are they suffered to put forth excuses. Woe unto the repudiators on that day. This is the day of decision. We have brought you and the men of old together. If now ye have any wit, outwit me. Woe unto the repudiators on that day.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون وفواكه مما يشتهون كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين ويل يومئذ للمكذبين كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون ويل يومئذ للمكذبين وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون ويل يومئذ للمكذبين فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون.
Lo, those who kept their duty are amid shade and fountains, and fruits such as they desire. Unto them it is said, Eat, drink, and welcome, O ye blessed, in return for what ye did. Thus do we reward the good. Woe unto the repudiators on that day. Eat and take your ease on earth a little. Lo, ye are guilty. Woe unto the repudiators on that day. When it is said unto them, Bow down, they bow not down. Woe unto the repudiators on that day. In what statement after this will they believe?
صدق الله العظيم.